REPOSAL winding machine empower the coils of series-excited motors with greater competitiveness. Many established series-excited motor factories boast excellent qualifications in coil insulation, dipping processes, and supply chains, yet long suffer from winding bottlenecks. Irregular coil arrangement causes magnetic field distortion, leading to motor speed fluctuations, torque ripples, and other issues. It also easily triggers interturn, short circuits, motor burnout, and other faults, impairs current carrying capacity, hinders production capacity, and restricts quality improvement. Xiepu winding machine accurately breaks the bottleneck with customized solutions, standardized quality, and sophisticated technology. We innovate winding processes to fundamentally resolve core problems, tailor exclusive solutions for various coils, ensure stable winding with exquisite craftsmanship and strict quality control, and handle thick wire diameter winding with ease. We professionally help customers upgrade the quality of series-excited motors and consolidate core competitiveness. Contact us now. Your forwarding is appreciated. Let's achieve mutual benefits together.